juicy.
请注意，直行过红绿灯后，立即驶入最右侧车道。过红绿灯后，70米右转。请走左侧四车道，保持左侧主路行驶。
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unlocking a new area in Shenzhen, the Nanshan district. And first of all, we're gonna get some food first because it's quite late now and we haven't eaten anything. Finally made it to my favorite Sauerkrat Fish shop in Shenzhen. Last time we were in another branch and I think they were closed already by the time we were there. And this time we are finally able to try it. Yeah, interesting. They had like this fortune telling thing here. Apparently I'm gonna get rich and skinny. I feel like everything that comes out of this might be all like positive. They're also very thoughtful. They have like USB charging pot.
鱼好吃的酸菜来喽！
I was shook. I didn't remember they do that ceremony before they serve the fish. This is the most anticipated fish. It's so good, guys. Have to try it. So we ordered a set for 2 and it comes with the fish, 2 rice and this fried pork thingy. It's already cooked. The candle is just to like keep it warm, which is very thoughtful. It's so soft, so good. Soup is not too spicy. Lots of flavor from the sauerkraut. It's like sour, it's salty. It's the perfect balance for a hot summer days like this. Let me try the pork and dip lots of spicy powder, which I believe this is. It's like those Taiwanese style fried meat. Super crunchy. Not sure how they made the pork so soft. Kind of like feel like I'm like eating chicken, but really it's pork. The chili powder gives it a good kick. So good. And our rice is here. All right, we're gonna dig in, so see you later. Got a bayberry lemon tea drink, much needed after our very salty lunch with no drink. And Rudy just got the fragrant lemon tea, the classic one. My one is so good. Bayberry is like now in season, so this is like a seasonal item. A bit sour, a bit sweet, but not too sweet. Perfect for the summer. In fact, yesterday I had a similar drink in Hong Kong, but it was like double the price of in mainland. So next up, we're going to a cultural spot, which is like a kind of old meal spot where young people hang out. So I can't wait to get out of this mall and go and explore outside, although it might be very hot outside. Guys, it's like 33 degrees now and we decided to walk to the spot we want to go to. It's like a 15 minutes walk, but at least we have some cold drink in hand and there's a little bit of shade under the tree, so it's nice. Feeling like a local already. We have made it! So Nantou is actually formerly a walled city on its own for the Xin'an County. So this little area is now refurbished and has lots of modern shop and is very bustling. Can't wait to do some shopping. Cat socks. What are these things called?
Pepper bras.
Rabbit with his tail. Is that corgi butt? So cute. What's interesting about this place is that the residents still live here. So while this place became like a tourist attraction, the original people still live up there, like in these buildings. Isn't that kind of weird? Suddenly there's so many people appearing in your neighborhood. Kind of finished exploring this area. What I love about this area is there's so many cats everywhere in any store. This is so cute. He's so cute. Look at how chubby he is. But yeah, so we're gonna go to a mall now since it's like pretty hot. We're at the fancy city super of Shenzhen. I love these muscat grapes. Not cheap though, not cheap. Store online, but never in real life. Very vintage looking. We don't have this in Hong Kong yet. They have an on store here, and look who's going in. Vendetta. Only in mainland I see these snacks. Instant noodle pack. Definitely don't see these two. Mind blown. Why don't they sell these things in Hong Kong? Beef and tomato noodles. Chongqing noodle. What? So we're getting tons of snacks from Muji. stuff that's only available in mainland. Some forks. Some tom yum noodle. Excited to try this out. Some bathroom slipper for Rudy. For dinner, we're eating some crab roll noodle, and I'm gonna put some vinegar and mix it up. It looks so good, man. It's actually not crab season yet, but I'm not sure why they still are able to find these crabs. So saucy. Coat it with the crab roll. I think I should come like when it's crab season so that the flavor is like maximum. Now it's a bit more subtle. We also ordered the crab roll xiaolongbao. Authentic way of eating xiaolongbao is to bite off the tip. Oh, it's hot. Pour some sauce. So juicy. Xiaolongbao is definitely better than the noodle. Has like meat with the crab roll, which brings even more flavor. Lots of juice oozing out of the xiaolongbao, and it's like really hot. So good.